Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, that red, white, and blue. Yeah, let's wave that flag today. Hopefully, it won't be a surrender flag. I give up. Let's see what we're doing. How are we doing here? Coterra, that's under pressure. And I need to keep a close eye on this because on the 25th, Coterra is ex div, and we want to collect that dividend, don't we? CVS under pressure. Those $70 puts probably will need to be rolled if CVS doesn't make any moves this week. It's currently at about 69 bucks. Devon, we've got 11. Hey, that rhymes. We've got 11 Devon $52 calls. Those are fine right now. Devon is just over $49 a share. EOG, we've got one call on the board there at 117, and EOG's at about 114. We have these Gilead Sciences. I was never very good in the science, so I don't know why I'm trading Gilead, but right now they're at $78 and change, so those $79 puts are under pressure. Intel, these 12 contracts on the $29 calls. Intel just over $30 right now, so we'll decide what we want to do with that. Johnson & Johnson under pressure. Our 162.50 call, though, not under pressure. In fact, it's at 83% profit. So we might close those today or tomorrow just to wait for Johnson & Johnson to maybe, eventually, maybe just maybe, make its way back up. Same with Coca-Cola at 91% profit. Coca-Cola down in the 61s right now. But this is the trade that I wanted to go ahead and close out now, just for fun. It is at 89.74% of the profit. It's made it over the $100 mark. And it is that earnings trade we made on Lowe's. That's a 190 short leg with the 185 long. And if we look at Lowe's, it is currently up today over 2%. So it's at 207.37. And I know, just let it ride, Bart. Collect all the dollar bills. But you know how that fickle market can be. It can turn on you in a heartbeat. It can just turn on you and then jab a red hot poker in your ear. Oh my gosh, that reminded me of a movie called One on One with Robbie Benson back in the 80s. If you remember that movie, major drum roll, please. Then you're pretty cool and / pretty old. So let me know in the comments down below if you remember the movie One on One and that line about the red hot poker. So what do we have here? We have 3 of these. It's going to cost us at least 15 bucks to close it. So let's see, can we get away with 15 bucks and have it closed right now? It might close for 15, releasing the $1,500 collateral and and there it is. So now we have paid $15 and we originally collected 117. So it's a $102 net profit on a 1-day trade. It was less than 24 hours. So we got that going for us on the Lowe's. And we've got, what else going on? We have all kinds of action expiring this week. We've gone through a lot of those. I put on several credit spreads yesterday without the camera rolling. We got McDonald's 285, 282.50 under pressure. Pepsi 182.5, 177.50 under pressure. Pepsi 185/180. We put that on last week, so that one's really under pressure because what's Pepsi at? It's like 186 something, I believe. 186 and change and possibly falling. Oh boy, possibly. It's at 185.08. Whoa, 184.99 PepsiCo. So we might decide to follow that thing down, sell off those long legs, and then roll out the barrel on the 185s. I wouldn't mind owning some Pepsi. Pfizer $40 calls. We got 24 of those. I don't know why it's showing 0. Oh, it shouldn't be showing 0. Pfizer's down 1.32% today. We should be showing some dollar bills on that. But we're not. It's showing 0 on the total return. But on today's return, it's showing $408. So what are you trying to do there, Robinhood? You're confusing me. Let's see here. we have our Philip Morris calls are almost at full profit, and we rolled that down also. We were at 100, then we rolled it down to 97, then we rolled it down to 96. Looks like we might be able to roll it further. We'll just wait that out a minute or two, see how that performs the rest of the day and probably tomorrow. Qualcomm doing good. I mean, the stock's not doing good. Our 107 call is doing good. We're taking real gas on the Qs. 133 says 135. We put that on probably, it's been about 10 days. The 424/427 call credit spread on SPY doing well, but we still got some room to grow. But I would not hesitate to shut that down at 50%. AT&T $18 calls doing fine. Target 152.50 puts not doing fine. That's under pressure big time. Target's like in the 148s, I believe. So another opportunity to roll that or take possession. Probably just, they've gained a little since I last looked. Let's see what the 1 day shows. Yeah, so I was looking down here. They're in the 148s. And now they're back up to 150.54. So we'll keep an eye on that as the well. And our VF Corp $23 calls are at 10% profit. We got some 117 Valeros. We have 9 Valero calls on the board. It's showing we're down 8%, but Valero just over 114. But because of volatility, we don't have much action on the board yet. Verizon 3750 calls. Those will be probably just fine this week. Same with the Walgreens 3250s, and then the Walmart 135. We're going to probably need to roll that because Walmart is at 147. ExxonMobil 107 calls just fine. And that is our start to today. And those are what we have closing this Friday, expiring this Friday. All of them will not make it. We will not make it on all of those. I'm keeping a close eye on the Qs. Because when we put that on, ever since we put that on, essentially QQQ has gone uptown to Chinatown. If we look at like a 5-day on the Qs, you just see it going up, up, up and away. So right now we're in big time gas on that because we're at a 333 on our short leg of that call credit spread. So we will be keeping a very close eye on that because we may have to mitigate our risk big time before that expires. So that's what we have to start the day. And it is, what is it? It is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023 at 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. I actually have a meeting here at the house in 15 minutes. So I better get off of the video and prepared for the meeting, which I'm already prepared for. So that won't take too long. I will see you in the next video.